Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the 33rd live streaming of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So friends, I request all of you to please join this live session. I know from past two Sundays I wasn't able to come to live session due to some technical issues and all. But again, today I'm live now on the same time. So I'm looking forward from all of you to join this live session. So please come forward and join this live session. Guys, I'm going to wait for another 5 minutes, and there are some announcements for you guys. So before making that, I'm waiting for you guys. Okay. So, and first of all, a very happy new year to all of you, 2025. I'm wishing all of you that this year is going to be right. You are going to get everything. I pray to God. Okay, and right. So 100% my wishes are with you, and at the same time I want you to be focused. Okay. So yeah, happy new year once again. Okay, so guys, let me share this link to everyone. Okay, so guys, few things. Okay. uh, okay, so guys, I'll take your questions one by one, and at the same time I request all of you that if you have any questions, okay, so if you have any questions, I'm reading your questions. So ask only once, right? And please don't spam this live session. I know it's been long time. After long time, I'm doing this live session. Due to some technical issues, last time it wasn't happened. Okay. Some I'm not sure what was the issue. I was checking with the YouTube specialists that what was the issues and all. But at the same time, guys, please join this live session because there is a very big announcement for all of you, that which I'm going to make it before I'll start taking the questions. Okay, and yes, so guys, see, there have been so many questions are coming back to back, sir. When you are going to start the new batch of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp? See, whatever most of you are going through as of now, those are the recorded videos, guys. Okay, basically from my website, most of you have purchased 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. I know, right? But those are the recorded videos. But when online classes is absolutely different from a recorded videos, right? Where you are going to interact with the instructor, basically me. Okay, for 1 hour or more than 1 hour, and you can make sure you can clear your each and every doubt, whether it's a small, right, if you want to go to a directory or anything, any query, technical query, career related query, anything related to the topic and all, you can ask me anything within that 1 hour or more than that, right? So the big announcement that in this month of January only, because the previous batch is going to finish now, mostly I'm expecting, okay, by end of this January. Okay, there, right? So DevOps, it's already going on. Those videos are also going to be published, just for your kind information, because that query also I am getting, that sir, when the DevOps video is going to uploaded to my website, engineer, that is abhishekroshan.com, right? All of you know that, right? So there, it's soon I am going to start uploading. Okay, because editing and all, it's going to take time, right? So I am working in that one, so those videos are going to upload, right? But those who are interested for the online batches, for the live classes, right, they can start registered now. Again, I am repeating, because mostly by after 15th, I'm going to start a new batch of 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, and that batch is going to be, at least it will take 6 months, because all of you know my course content, the depth of content, right? And all real time projects will be there. So it requires at least 6 months, though it can be finished earlier also, but I am taking at least 6 months to finish that complete course. That includes, let me share my screen, okay? And at the same time, those whoever wants to register themselves for this course, okay, the online batches, okay, this is not my recorded videos, guys. Here you are going to interact with me every day from Monday to Friday, okay? And yes, and I'm going to take the classes like I used to take on online batches, okay? So this is the Google Doc form which I have pasted over here, okay? You guys can go through it, you can read each and everything, and mostly in the month of January only, maybe the date may change, guys, right? So yes, I'll see, I'm getting your questions, guys. I'll come to your questions one by one. With without answering your question, I'm not going to leave it, so don't worry about that one. But the announcement, again, I'm telling you, those whoever is interested of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp online batches, again I'm talking about not the recorded, the videos which is already available in my website, okay? Not that one, it's a online interactive classes, okay? So for that, the registrations are open now. Please go through this Google Doc form, again I am repeating, and you can register yourself by, see, the fee is absolutely, it's going to be different, and minimum it's going to take 6 months to complete this course. What all things I am going to cover in this one, that I am going to share with you now, okay? Just see this one, if you guys are able to see my screen. So can somebody confirm me that they are able to see my screen? Okay, guys, can somebody confirm me? Any one of you can confirm me that? Yeah, okay, fine. So, guys, just see, this is the page. If somebody wants to know that what all things I am going to cover, only the project I have not mentioned, because those projects are highly confidential, and these projects are basically my, I am replicating the same project what I have worked in the organization, okay? So I cannot reveal those projects until unless you will be onboarded, until unless you will be joining the batch, because these are the real time migration project which I am going to cover in this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Okay, so now you come here. So what all things I am going to cover in this one? Okay, first of all, what all services you are going to get? So obviously in this one you are, exactly the videos whatever I'm going to upload, you are going to get the lifetime access. As soon as you'll finish your classes, same videos you can see, okay? So mock interviews will be there, career counseling will be there, right? Community, these are normal common things which I'm going to do it if you join this online batches interactive classes. Okay, now come to the point here. At the same time, I'm going to refer you also, that is 100%, guys, okay? So this is the course content which I am going to cover, okay, in this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp online interactive classes. So you can see all the topics I have included from the Linux, and there are some few new topics also which I have included, which is going to help you to grow your career, right? As a DevOps engineer, also as a cloud engineer also. So all these topics whatever I have included over here in Linux is basically everything is going to be used in your cloud, and it's going to used in your DevOps tools also. So those topics only I have covered. It is more than 26 topics are there, that includes your shell scripting also. Once you complete this one, for the automation point of view, I am going to cover the complete shell scripting also. You can see these are the topics: shell scripting as a basics, using structure scripts or commands, right? Using more structured scripts, handling user input, presenting data, right? Script control. And in AWS, this is more important, guys. So here most of the services I have covered, that includes with a real time project. And what is that real time project, that also I am going to give you a glimpse, so you guys will understand what I am going to cover over here. One second, guys. So this is the project, guys. In this project everything is covered, okay? And this is the real time actual project. So see, this includes your all the services. One is in your production, another one is in your disaster recovery, okay? So that includes your auto scaling. If you talk about a small, even if you talk about your load balancer, right? How basically from where you are going to connect to a load balancer. See, I'm not going to tell you that you have to do, obviously you are not going to work like an architect, okay? But might be you will be working in one of this module, like either you will be working in EC2, either you will be working in auto scaling part, or you will be configuring the cloud watch, you will be configuring the notification services like simple SNS services will be there, or you will be working as a monitoring point of view, you will be working in the database side, you will be working in cloud trail, right? Each and everything is going to cover with the help of this project, whether it's a data replication, cross region replication, VPC peering, route 53, how the site to site VPN connectivity will be there. So this is a real time project, guys. This is just a glimpse I am showing you over here. So everything I am going to cover, you can ask a single doubt also over here, okay? Each and every doubt you can get it clarified during the classes, during the interactive batch, okay? And once we have done with this one, even in this shell scripting also there are so many projects, okay? The real time projects which we are going to cover, and this is absolutely in Linux. You have seen so many videos related to Linux in my channel, right, in my websites and all, right? So everything is interrelated to each other, right? And I'm not going to miss a single topic in this one. So I'm going to cover each and everything. AWS also it's cover, and then finally the DevOps course content is there. So in this one, basically we'll come to know what is DevOps. So there is also one added topic I'm going to include. Nobody teaches agile methodology, because nowadays everybody is working on agile methodology. See, DevOps is a way of working. In DevOps we are going to include all DevOps tools, but when you are going to work as a DevOps engineer, you have to be in agile methodology. Basically sprint basis we need to work, guys. So that also I am going to explain in this one. So I have not added over here, so I'll add that one. As a version control tool, I am going to teach you Git and GitHub both. Remember, people teaches only GitHub, but I teach Git also. Git is something where you can do the admin part also, and GitHub also, which you can do it with the help of UI as well. So each and everything with a project I am going to cover over here, right? There are some dependencies are there, like Maven is there, right? And here Jenkins. So earlier I thought that I am going to teach you GitHub actions, but now still most of the organization is with Jenkins only. See, any one integration tool is required, whether it's a Jenkins, whether it's a GitHub Actions, or you can go with Azure DevOps pipeline. Anything you can use it, guys. Okay, but you need to know how you have to set up your pipeline, how you can do the CI/CD and all, where you are going to deploy and all. Okay, so with this Jenkins pipeline, we are going to deploy basically all your infrastructure in your AWS cloud, and to deploy things, okay, basically we are going to use Terraform over here. So I have also included Terraform, you can see, okay? So we are going to use the Terraform modules, okay, and we are going to deploy the Terraform in the same Jenkins server only. At the same time, so we are going to use microservices, which we are going to deploy in Docker container and also in Kubernetes also, right? So most, and monitoring point of view also, I said I am going to cover the most trending monitoring tools which is used widely for log monitoring, for metrics monitoring and all. That is Splunk I am going to use, and Grafana also. And additional also, if Zabbix is required for alerting purpose, that also I am going to tell you. And this includes this complete thing. It's not just a topic, guys. So I am going to include each and every topic. Again, the project which I have shown you like this, in DevOps also the project will be like this. The complete use case will be there, the which is exactly being worked in the organization. According to that, I am going to explain these tools. It's not like that simply I'll go what is Terraform. No, nobody is going to ask you these questions. Okay, the questions will be related to your exact project. Okay, they are not going to ask you normal questions. Okay, the what is a Terraform, what is a configuration no, they are have you written any Terraform file? Okay, how you have deployed your Terraform code into your cloud, right? So each and everything is going to cover, and this will require 6 months. Okay, so this I have given you a idea that what I am going to cover in this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp for next 6 months. Okay, if you are interested, and I am going to put my effort, my time, each and everything, and I am going to ready to support you. But if you are going to tell me, sir, please directly start with DevOps, so guys, I cannot do it. Again, I am telling you, if you have to build a building, first you need to put a foundation, then only you can build the stories, means your building, and inside that you can do a interior. So according to me, your foundation is Linux. Okay, so you have to put the foundation, on top of it your story, your entire infrastructure, whether it's 2 floor or 3 floor, that is basically your cloud. And inside that, whatever you are doing, the interior work, that is your, according to me, that is your DevOps tools, guys. Okay, so you have to combine each and everything, then only you can see your career for a longer run, for a longer period of a time. And this is the actual path, this is the correct path for you guys. Okay, fine, I hope. And again, I am going to put the link over here. This is why I cover each and everything, guys, so that, see, every topic whichever I am going to explain over here, it's related to each other. It's not like that only if I'm explaining you DevOps tool, no, so you should skip Linux, so you should skip your cloud. No, it's impossible. Whoever is giving you this promise to you that you learn only 5 DevOps tool, you are going to get the job of DevOps tool. Very honestly, friend, I don't want to say you lie. So they are frauds, or they are just lying to you. Okay, this is not the way to get a DevOps job. You have to come via step by step only. Okay, fine. Again, I am pasting this link to all of you. Now I'll come back to the question. Okay, one by one. Sorry, I need to tell you because the batch is going to start, guys. Because see, when I'll start the batches after so many days, people are reaching out to me and they're telling, sir, please, can I join this batch? So again, you have to go through all the backlogs, then only you can join my batches. Correct? uh First of all, again, happy new year to all of you. Okay, so thank you, Farooq. Hi, Dasgiri. Hi, Mahesh. Okay, hi, Mahesh. I'm not sure your name is coming as a uh, what is that? Sir, I have bought your course, I want my resume to be reviewed. Okay, so please send my resume. If you bought my course, guys, whoever wants to review your resume, if you want to validate your resume, I said that you can send to abhishek88roshan at the rate of gmail.com. That is my email ID. It's mentioned in my website also. So moving on to the next question. Good evening, sir. Roshan sir, happy new year. Thank you, Mahesh, for wishing me happy new year. Happy new year to all of you. Again, sir, Dasgiri, okay, wishing you same. Thank you, Dasgiri. Again, happy new year to all of you. This year is the best chance, guide. I'm telling you, okay, opportunities are definitely it's there, but you have to go step by step. Okay, मनोज अगेन, सर फुल डेवॉप्स कोर्स ऑनलाइन बैच कब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मुझे ज्वाइन करना है. Manoj, that is what I have pasted the link again. Manoj, I am pasting the link. You can see in this month of January only. But Manoj, again, I am telling you, I am not standalone teaching DevOps. Okay, because there is a reason behind that one. Whenever people are doing like this, I know, but I am not like others. Okay, I know if you have to become a DevOps engineer, your foundation has to be strong. Okay, and then only you can able to troubleshoot, you can able to resolve the issues, because everything is coming from Linux and cloud. Okay, so I am not a fraud like others who will just for money. Okay, I'll tell you, no, DevOps, I honestly, I'm telling you guys, it will take hardly 20 days to finish me DevOps thing. But to finish that thing, like, you just understand, like, it's like when you cook something, right? So at the end of the, like, you are going to put some more masala in it, right? It's like DevOps only. Okay, so if you know already all the ingredients, okay, you can cook any type of a food. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So DevOps is a way of working. So if the work wise, I am telling you, it's coming from Linux, shell scripting, database, and cloud. It's a combination of all these four pillars. Okay, you have to come via this way only. Okay, otherwise you are going to struggle in your entire career. I can challenge on that. You ask me with a, it's not just a telling, you ask me with a some data, that also I'll tell you why and how. Okay, and that I have also explained in multiple my career counseling videos to most of the whoever done career counseling with me. Okay, guys, I'm moving on to the next question. Mahesh, okay, thank you. Wish you, okay, Manoj, I have told you, Manoj, were not record, it's not going to be, obviously, that is what I'm telling you, Manoj. It's going to be a complete live interactive classes, online batches. Okay, this is why, because online batches is absolutely different from recorded videos. Obviously, see, installing, what I have seen that people, if I am telling you just go and install mobile extension, just go ahead and install terminus, there only they are facing issues. Okay, so if you are basically facing issues there only, so in recorded videos you have to troubleshoot, because I am not available with you, right? Honestly, I am not available with you 24 into 7. But during that 1 hour or 1.5 hour, okay, while teaching, you can ask your queries, guys. Obviously, see, even if I'm doing a normal cd command or a pwd command, if I'm normal installing a Jenkins, if I'm configuring a basically node agent and all, right? If I'm creating a VPC, you can ask, sir, why you have created 3 subnets, why you have not gone with 2 subnets, right? So you ask a cross questions immediately, right? So you only tell me which is more effective, a recorded video is effective or the interactive classes is more interactive, effective, right? So that is what, when I am talking to you, you are asking question to me, right? That is called an interactive way of approach, guys. So in online batches, it is always beneficial to clear each and every minute single issues. Also, you can get it clarified with me, right? So I request all of you, whoever is still willing to, because it's not 1 month or 2 month, again I am telling you, be prepared, fasten your seat belts. Okay, and if you are ready with me to at least for next 6 months, I am telling you, okay, I can challenge on that one, that after this course you guys are at least not going to struggle to get a job, to clear an interview. I can guarantee on that one. The depth of the content, the depth of the knowledge I'm going to give it to you for next 6 months, you are not going to get it anywhere, guys, because those are the thing which I have done in my industry. Same thing I'm replicating over here. So I hope I am answered your question, Manoj. Again, Manoj, uh, okay, sir, I bought your course. Like, again, I have answered your question already. Just mention your name. Your name is coming as a ping. Okay, Farooq, sir, wish you happy new year. Again, happy new year, Farooq. Mahesh, you are asking the same question again and again. Sir, I referred your Linux question answer to my friend. He has got selected just because of, I know. Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you and congratulations to your friend, Mahesh. You can mention his name also over here. Thank you first of all to all of you who got selected, and I wish they will go bigger heights, okay, in their career. That is my wish, and I am going to provide you the content like that only. Okay, so very good. Okay, and you can mention his name that you have referred. Please, guys, referred my channel. At the same time, I request all of you, see how a connection between you and me established. Okay, it's because of my YouTube channel only. So I request all of you that, see, that is a medium, guys. So please make that medium available for everyone. Okay. uh, Make sure that everybody should know that what is the actual process, how to reach to the correct, if he wants to become a DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer or a Linux admin or application support engineer or a production support engineer, any role he can go with. Please refer my channel more and more to everyone. And also I request all of you that please make this 2025 year for me the most of the subscriber is going to subscribe my channel, guys, right? So that is a request to all of you, right? Because still I can see you guys are hesitating to subscribe the channel. Okay, but I request that if you want to clap, you have to use both the hands, right? So clap I cannot do with the one hand, so I need your support, right? So please go ahead and subscribe the channel more and more, share with more and more people, right? So let everybody should know exactly how to make sure their career should be secure for next 10 years, 15 years and 20 years, like that. Okay, so fine, guys. Let's move on to the next question. Bala Naga. Okay, sir. As a fresher, choosing DevOps is a good thing. Please answer. Just now I have answered you, Bala. Okay. Yes, please. You can go with. See, this is something you need to understand. Again, if you are going with the way what I am telling you, right, Bala? If you have to go, see, I don't want to discourage anyone. Okay, I don't want to demotivate anyone. Yes, you can go with the DevOps directly, but you yourself go and find out how many jobs are available as a fresher, as a DevOps engineer, right? I can see few of the YouTubers, what they are doing is they are telling they got selected of this much of package, but how many people out of how many people got selected, right? As a fresher, as a DevOps engineer, right? So thing is that only hardly one or two who is from the big institute and all, right? And they are coming from a good background. I don't know, they are making fraud videos, or I'm not commenting on anyone, because I have seen people are already doing that one to make sure that their channel grows. But my way is very simple and easy and straightforward. I cannot give you the false promises, Bala. So I can tell you honestly, being a fresher, I don't think so that you are going to get the DevOps job. Very honestly, this is the hard truth which we need to accept. And but at the same time, you have to work, okay, on Linux. You have to work on basically, I would say, in your shell scripting, you have to work on database, you have to work on cloud and all. So jobs are easily and available in these skill sets compared to a DevOps in fresher. Very honestly, you can go and find out by yourself in as a fresher how many jobs are available. Okay, so see, one more thing in front of you guys only, let me show you this thing. Guys, I'm going to share my, because this is something which I need to clear in front of you guys with the data only. Okay, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Okay, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen, guys. Okay. Bala, this is not only for you, this is for everyone who is going to apply for a DevOps role. But you have to follow a path. Okay. You can reach out to, but you have to gain some experience for that one. I'll tell you the reason behind that. Opportunity point of view. Okay. Now you guys are able to see my screen. Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now, see, you can go and talk to anyone, Bala. Okay, I can challenge on that. Okay, I'm a person who talks without data. I don't talk. Okay, that go and tell that. whether okay you are a 2 years of experience, okay, or you don't have, you are a fresher, you need a DevOps. So how many of the people who is working as a DevOps engineer, how many years of experience they have, right? I'll come to that part, I'll comment on that part. See, now here I have just typed DevOps engineer, right? Now you can see how many opportunities are available for all the location in India. Okay, just see 72,746. But when you are going through these profiles, DevOps engineer 5 to 10 years, DevOps engineer 7 to 12 years, DevOps engineer 5 to 10 years, DevOps engineer 7 to 12 years experience, right? DevOps engineer 7 to 12 years experience, 7 to 11 year experience, 7 to 12 years experience, 7 to 12-year experience, 4 to 6-year experience, 8 to 13-year experience, right? 8 to 13-year experience, 3 to 8-year experience, 2 to 6-year experience, 7 to 12-year experience. Guys, I am not lying. Whoever is telling you you are going, they are the liars. Okay. So you need to tell the truth. And this is the truth. Okay. Now with you only, I am going to put the filter over here like this. Okay. I am going to make it as a 0. You are a fresher. Now you see here how many opportunities are available. Entire India I'm talking about. Just talk about only for Bengaluru, 750 jobs. Now you tell me, Bala, okay, that this is enough for how many freshers we are getting every year. Okay, lakhs of freshers we are getting every year, right? From they are coming out of engineering colleges, right? And everybody needs a DevOps. You have only 750. Naukri is the biggest portal, all of you know, right? All of you know they have the most companies, right? So that is what they are doing, basically 750 jobs in front of you only. I'm telling you 750 jobs. So where 10 lakhs, I'm not sure more than that, okay, candidates are coming, only 7, it's less than a government job opportunities for DevOps engineer, right? Where more than 10 lakhs people are applying and you have only 750 opportunities, guys. So where you want to go move yourself? You want to get a job, or you want to just want to struggle for your next 2 years or 3 years to get a job in DevOps engineer? What you want, you have to decide now. Okay, that is what continuously I'm telling you guys. This is something which you need to figure out now only. Whoever is telling come and do the DevOps, just go and ask that guy. That guy is having 9 years of experience or 10 years of experience, and now he's teaching DevOps, and they are telling okay, just learn DevOps and immediately you are going to get the package as a fresher. He's a liar. Okay, in front, ask him how many opportunities, because I know I am hiring for my organization. I am sitting at a position, I am having more than 13 plus years of experience. I see what we are hiring, right? Correct. What we are expecting from a DevOps engineer, right? So at least, and now in front of you only I am going to put this one. Okay, just see the opportunities for Linux admin, for a application support engineer, for other roles, for a cloud engineer. There are ample amount of opportunities. So why we don't want to take a path where we need to go step by step and we will be make sure our future is secure? Why you directly want to jump and want to, it's not at all about jump and all, guys. Okay, it's all about, we need to understand the way to reach out to DevOps engineer. This is the only way according to me. Okay, because you have to come via this way. Okay, so the classes it's going to start, guys. As I told you, I'm keep on getting these messages. I told you it's mostly from third week of January. All right, so because I need to get the final registration, how many people are ready to join the classes? Okay, according to that, I'm going to give you the time. No worries, still you have two weeks time. Whoever is interested, again I'm going to put my link over, and I am not charging for, see, the kind of people are charging, I know only for DevOps they are charging lakhs and lakhs. Okay, but for next 6 months, if I have to reserve my time for you, I have to tell you each and everything. Okay, so obviously it's right, that is feasible for you guys, right? And at the same time, Bala, okay, if you are learning complete for the next 6 months, so you can understand, if you know all the things, so at least you are going to get the job. Even, right, for freshers, what type of opportunities are there, right? For 2 years, what type of everything I am explaining in that 6 months of course. I am ready to help you guys each and every step, but you guys have to come forward. Okay, guys. Okay, I have answered through Bala most of the question. Now let me take the Manoj again, sir. I'll join the first from zero to hero all DevOps course Linux, or yes, it will be there in 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Divya Ranjan, hi sir, actually I am planning to get certification of cloud, so which would be better, AWS, SA and Azure cloud? Please suggest me. So if you are going with Divya Ranjan, again, so you can go with, if you have gone with my recorded videos also, so I would suggest AWS architect and AWS professional is enough. And even the clients are looking for this kind of a certification only. And if you are going with Azure, just go with Azure. I'm not sure how many years of experience, Divya Ranjan, you have. Just tell me how many years of experience. According to that, I'll tell you. But if you have done with my AWS, right, the recorded videos also in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, so there, according to that, I can tell you, you can go with solution architect and you can go with professional as well. Okay, Shashi Kant, hello sir, I am from telecom background and I have 8 years of experience in it. Is it possible to switch to cloud? Yes, 100% it is possible to switch to cloud. uh, I request Shashi, for this, you can join my online live batches, okay, 100%. Because by the time, okay, I can expect cloud, I can finish mostly, like, it will take, depends upon, guys, the pace of the each and every batch, okay. So mostly 3 months or 4 months it's going to complete each and everything, Linux shell scripting and your cloud, okay. So once you're done with that one, you can go ahead with, even including database also, okay. So you can go ahead with cloud role, any type of a role. Even you can skip the DevOps part and you can go with that one. In next 3 months or 4 months, you will be 100% ready, Sachi. So you can enroll in this batch, I request, okay. You can come forward and you can enroll, okay, in this one. Manoj sir, only AWS and Linux, sir. Manoj, we need full DevOps course. I'm not getting your, you are asking same question again and again. Okay, so Sandeep sir, Linux new batch, when it will be going to start? The Linux batch, see, again I'm telling you, Sandeep, I'm not dividing multiple batches, I'm not running multiple batches. I believe in totality, okay. It should not be only so. If you are going with 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, obviously it's going to start with Linux, okay. So it's going to start with Linux, it will move on to shell scripting. Then in your cloud, AWS cloud, in that only database will be there. After that, DevOps tools, in DevOps tool only your monitoring tools will be there, and your automation tool will be there in DevOps only. So this is how I take my classes. Monica sir, okay, sir, what is the roadmap for a cloud engineer? After learning, how many tools can we switch to cloud, or can we get a job directly in cloud? Okay, Monish Chaudhary. Monish, to answer to your question, straightforward, the same thing. Okay, for cloud, the roadmap is simple and easy. If you are going with any of the cloud, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, or a GCP cloud, I request all of you that you should make sure, because there also it's every time, because either you will be moving from on premises to cloud, okay. So you are dealing with your three tier architectures, you are dealing with your on premises infrastructure, you are dealing with your application database, and every time you'll be dealing with the troubleshooting and all, right? So at that point of a time, you should know complete Linux, including all NFS services, right? Network file sharing or DNS related issues, right? Troubleshooting and all. So that is going to cover DNS, or it's a uh, LDAP related or AD related things, stuffs will be there, right? So that I'm already covering in my Linux, Monish. Okay, so you need to complete that one. From automation point of view, you can go with Python as well, I told you, but I am suggesting go with shell scripting, which is more feasible if you know Linux. Okay, and then you should, and database, you can go with any non relational database. Even non relational database services also they are needing nowadays, like your mongodb is there, right? I'll show you what type of databases also you guys can cover, which is in demand nowadays. You see this let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can somebody confirm me? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So guys, just see here. So yeah, Monish, just you can see these are the non-relational database services. Okay, like SimpleDB, DynamoDB, MongoDB. So DynamoDB, MongoDB is widely used. Okay, for all type of a text processing and all. Okay, for a huge data, these are the unstructured data will be there, and like these are the Amazon relational database services are there. These are basically used for online transaction processings and all, right? Like your MySQL and Microsoft SQL, Postgres. So this is MySQL and Postgres SQL is widely used for a structured database, basically relational RDS. Okay, relational database services where you are sure of the data. Like suppose if you are where you are sure of the data, like okay, I'm going to insert only 10 GB of data, I'm going to get like this. But when you are like Facebook is there, right, where we are not sure of the data, how much data it will be there, it's going to consume by your database, right, which you are going to insert in your database. So for that you are going to use non-relational database services, guys. You can see from here. So for that you are going to use MongoDB or a DynamoDB. This kind of a DBs are there. Okay, so yes. uh, okay, Monish, and after learning, so you have to finish this in cloud, and then you can move on to cloud, Monish. Okay, so four things you need to focus. First thing is your Linux, as I told you, all the topics. It's not only basics commands. Okay, you have to cover each and everything, and then finally your shell scripting. There in shell scripting you should make sure you should know each and everything. Okay, and soon I am going to publish and also I'm going to publish a mock interview recently I have taken in shell scripting for the automation point of view. You guys can go through that video. It's going to be published mostly by tomorrow or day after tomorrow in my channel. You can go through that one. Okay, and then finally your database and your cloud. This is enough to get into a cloud. Hello, sir. Desi in South. Okay, I'm not sure your name is coming like that. Please mention your name, guys. Hello, sir. How can I reach? I need few details before joining. Okay, to reach out to me, as I told you, very simple and easy process. Please join my channel membership. Okay, that link also I am going to paste it over here. Okay. See this one. Okay. So this is the link I have pasted. Okay, you can go ahead and you can join my priority membership. So you should be able to connect with me. Subham, sir, I have 4 years of gap in a career. Can I join your classes? 100% you can join. And I'll also tell you, Subham, that how you will be able to fulfill these 4 years of a gap with genuine reason, with a genuine thing. Okay, but once you join my classes, then only I can help you out. I can guarantee on that you will be able to cover these 4 years of a gap. Okay, 100%. Okay, so that will be there. Yes, yes, Jagan, fanboy subscribed. Thank you, Jagan, for just subscribing my channel, and I am others also are requesting that please go ahead and subscribe like Jagan. Okay, that is what I needed, guys. I need a support from you. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and let's spread across everyone. Prabhat Kumar, sir, I filled the Google form for your upcoming batches. Thank you, Prabhat, and for filling the form. and soon you are, so whoever is going to register themselves, soon they are going to receive the emails, and according to that I'll schedule the classes, and you will get the invites. Okay. Bala sir, when will they start the new batches? I told you audio jam. Okay, so audio jam, your name is coming as a, please mention your name again, guys. So the classes is 100%, it's going to start mostly third week of again I am telling you, it's going to be in January only, but I need to see the registration, how many people are interested, because it's not one day task, 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, it's going to be next 6 months. You have to be with me. Okay, and I have to be with you. I am ready to solve your each and every query, with whether it's technical, career related. I am happy to help you out, guys, but you have to show your interest. Okay, so please go ahead and fill that form. Which form? That form again I am pasting. Okay, this is the form. Okay, so Viresh Patel, okay sir, can you expect a future DevOps cloud on total software development? See, Viresh, I got it. Okay, so that is what the, see, even the question what I understand from you, that can you expect a future of DevOps and cloud on total software development? So it's like that only. Okay, so going forward, if you are a software engineer also, whether you are a full stack developer, Viresh, or you are a Java developer, basically. Okay, whether you are a front end developer or a back end developer, or you are a UI developer, or you are working in Angular, Node.js, and all React, right, and all these skill sets, right? So they are not only looking for a software engineer, they need someone who can work as a DevOps engineer also, right? So in DevOps it requires, I told you, if you wanted to go for DevOps, so you have to clear these four hurdles, then only you can go for the DevOps. Because if you are directly going for a DevOps role, so you are going to struggle each and every step. What all four hurdles are there? First one is your Linux is there, shell scripting is there, database is there, and the fourth one is your cloud. Okay, you need to clear these four hurdles, then only you will become a good DevOps engineer. Okay, and at the same time you are already a developer, so now from the development point of view, they need a full stack developer. Tell me, very, if I'm wrong or right, I can show you the data. We are hiring a people, we are not looking for a front end developer, we are looking a full stack developer. Okay, so that is what we are looking for. So yes, the future is like that only, it's already started. Okay, so if you are a people are development, they have to know all these things with the development. Okay. Prabhat sir, what will be the timing of the classes? The timing is fixed. It's 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. The timing is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Only the class starting, that will decide according to the registration, according to the people, how many people are going to register. Okay. According to that, I need to see, and it's going to be before January only. Which week, that I'll tell you in upcoming weeks, guys. Okay, I need to see the registration. According to that, I'll tell you on which date it is going to start. Okay, fine. See, for people are telling, sir, Madhu, sir, I'm recently purchased 100 days of boot camp. I told you, Madhu, these are the, no, you can understand, those are the recorded videos. If you need the documents and all, because I totally believe you have to join the online batches. Very honestly, I'm telling you, for the assignments, for each and everything. Okay, see that platform, you are going to get that much only, guys. Okay, that is honestly, with that point of view. Okay, whatever the content I am providing, because at the same time I'm not hiding anything. Okay, the people who has financial constraint and all, for that only people, you guys only told me, sir, we cannot do the online, because everybody cannot go with the online batches, interactive classes and all. So what is the difference between, Madhu, you only tell me, for the people who can go with the recorded videos and for the online batches, right? So very honestly, I am telling you, That simple thing is that if you want to get all the assignments, you want to get each and everything right interactively, you have to join my online batches for that one. Okay, for the courses, if you have financial constraint and all, right, so people has requested me, so I said okay, no, I am going to help everyone, I am going to make sure the content should be available for everyone, so I have provided the content. Okay, apart from that, if you need any extra help and all for the documents and all, then you need to join my online batches. Okay. Subhanga Jena, sir, company hiring freshers for DevOps role. I have already explained in the same. Somebody asked me in this Bala or someone. You can go through the starting of the videos. I have given you the data also, Subhanga. Okay, for the DevOps. What? How many DevOps engineer they are hiring as a fresher? Okay. Karthi Kannan, hi sir, currently working in a support role with 4 years of experience. How can I switch to cloud? Are they consider me as a fresher or experienced? They are not going to consider you as a fresher. First of all, the reason, because you have 4 years of experience. Only thing is that how you are going to make sure you are going to prepare a resume, and you have to complete. You have to make sure that if you are going for a cloud role also, so you should not only able to answer the interview question and answer, you should be able to work as a cloud engineer also as a 4 years of experience. For that, Karthi, okay, you need to join a classes where each and everything is covered. Okay, and I'm not telling you come and join my classes only. You go and join anywhere, but please make sure you should cover complete Linux with real-time projects. You should cover shell scripting. You should cover database and cloud. Then you can go. You can utilize this entire 4 years as a cloud engineer, and that also I am explaining how to prepare a resume for 4 years of experience. If you wanted to go for a AWS role, you wanted to go for a Linux admin role or a production support role or any role, you tell me. Even for anything I can challenge it. Okay, except the Java development and all. Okay, because I am not teaching Java and all, right? For that you need to reach out to the people who is teaching Java and all. Okay, so yes, for that you can utilize this entire 4 years. That is my guarantee. Okay, but for that you have to join my online batches, interactive classes where I'm helping for each and everything. Okay, sir Prashant, sir, I have question. I was fitness instructor, then I decided to switch to switch my career. I completed my graduation in 2024 and did Linux and infra services and cloud courses from academy, but not getting job. Okay, the problem with those people are like that only. Academy is like, see, I'm not sure how many of them are from industry actually. So you can go and see my profile, Prashant, that whatever I am teaching, so that is as per the current market trend, as per the current company requirement. Okay, and I am already a experienced person. I am not a person who is teaching in some colleges or no. Who am I? You can go and read about myself. I am 13 plus years of experience into this IT industry, and I am a associate manager in DevOps basically. Okay, so this is not a one designation for me. So that includes, so I have worked as a application support engineer also, Linux admin also, right? VMware administrator also, cloud admin as well, right? So my expertise are with the organization. It is not from some institute. Okay, so academy, I'm not sure who and all is teaching you, but I have a experience with more than 8 organization, right, Prashant? So I know what we are looking from a candidate, what type of a project we are doing in our IT industry, right? Basically those are your migration projects only. Okay, and who can tell you better, right? If you have a problem, so in your stomach, you are not going to ask to a engineer, right? You have to go to a doctor only, correct? So if you have to really know, if you have to really get into IT industry, right, where you are a fresher, so you have to reach out to a people who is already working and carrying a good amount of experience, right, and know about all these skill sets. Okay, that is what I'm trying to do it over here. And if you wanted to be part of my boat, okay, then you can come and onboard to this boat. Okay, what those academy is doing, I'm not sure who all those peoples are there. Again, I'm not blaming anyone, but you have to choose wisely whenever you are going for any training. Okay, please make sure you should visit their LinkedIn profile, you should visit, and you will see whether that person is genuine or not. Okay, so I have everything open public for everyone. You can go, anyone can go and check about myself. Okay, who am I, right, where and all, and my resume and all, everything is, it's there, it's in public. Okay, so yeah. So any calls and all, Madhu sir, what is the any other roadmap using Linux without DevOps? See again, Madhu. Okay, I ask a question to you, Madhu. You tell me, Madhu. Okay, to question to you, very simple, in a very layman language. I'm asking a question to you. Okay, now simple, very simple. I am telling you, Madhu. Okay, without engine, can you run a vehicle? Without engine, can you run a vehicle? Without foundation, can you build a building? N number of questions I can ask you. Okay, so this is like that only. You are telling me, sir, eliminate Linux and let's give me a way to learn Docker, to learn Kubernetes. Now I am asking a simple question to you, Madhu. AWS DevOps, we are hearing, right? EKS services is there. In Azure, Elastic Kubernetes services is there. Docker, you have to learn. Okay, Kubernetes you want to learn. Okay, but you don't want, okay, that where and all. See, very simple and easy forward example I am telling you. Ki if you have to install a Docker or a Kubernetes, okay, where you are going to install, Madhu? You are going to install those things in a Linux operating system only, right? And every time when you are going to install in a Linux, you cannot tell, no, I am going to install those things in my own operating system, DevOps operating system. No. So you are telling me, no, without Linux can we do DevOps? Impossible. Okay, impossible. And if somebody, every step, I can challenge on this one, every step, every you go with this. Again, I am showing you, Madhu, answer to your question. Okay. Again, I am showing you. See this one. See here, I have made a pipeline which is running currently. Okay. Ohio. Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay. This project I am doing it for my batch. Okay. So this is AKS service. Leave this one. Okay, this Jenkins is running, Madhu. Okay, see this one. Now you will understand. Okay, this Jenkins instance is running over here. Okay, this is a Jenkins server where it is running, Madhu. Okay, it's running in a Linux operating system. Okay, it's running in a Linux operating system, Madhu. Why I am telling, why you guys have to understand this one. So what all things are there, Madhu? Public IP is there, private IP is there, it is related to your network and configuration. DNS is there, you have to understand DNS. Okay, just see the configuration of this instance. Okay, host IP is there, means it's related to your network and configuration. Okay, elastic IP I have associated here, means basically these are the static IPs over here. There is a VPC involved, means your infrastructure coming over here. You have a private, a virtual private cloud. Subnet is involved over here. Route, right, right. Now if you see more into this one, now you see this is detail. Now you talk about storage. Okay, in storage slash dev slash xvda, this is related to your managing partition and full file system is there. Okay, now it is related to your networking. Come to networking part, what all things are there. So in networking you can see your availability zone is there, right? So you see this just by seeing this, these are the things. Monitoring is there, okay? In monitoring, what all things we are going to cover, those are basically metrics. Monitorings will be there, like your CPU, disk and all. Now I am taking you over here, Madhu, okay? From where these things are coming, Madhu? Okay, you tell me. You wanted to skip, so I told you, right? You see this one, you come over here. I said I have shown you one partition, volume related, that is related to your where, that is related to managing file system and partition, correct? And it's not just everything, every file system is there, okay? You need to learn this thing. SSH authentication is there, it will be there, right? Whether it's related to your NFS, DNS I have shown you, you need to learn DNS. NTP should be there, you need to learn these things, right? Each and network configuration and troubleshooting is there. Subnets and all, it will be coming under here also. You can learn in cloud also. So now you are telling me, sir, I want to skip this thing, and then you are telling me that, sir, okay, I want to become a DevOps engineer. Not possible, boss. With data only I'm explaining you guys. Each and everything is related. Whether you are going to work in Jenkins, whether you are going to work in your Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, right? Every step, nine more than 70% time you are going to encounter Linux. You have to follow there is a process, guys. You have to come via that only. Rest is your wish. You want to I'm not sure what, whoever is guiding you, or who is guiding, it's your wish, okay? So I have answered your question. Okay, Vasista, so to be DevOps engineer from Java Spring Boot developer, what are other things required to learn? Just now I told you, Vasista. Okay, even if you are a, if you know Spring Boot in Java, right? That is a Spring Boot is basically a framework. I also know. Okay, so even I told you, right? If you are a Java full stack developer, also if you want to become a DevOps engineer, you have to learn all these things. You cannot tell only, okay, I have learned only few some microservices, how to deploy those microservices to your basically in your container, or in your Kubernetes, right? So you'll become a DevOps engineer. No, Vasista. For that, you need to know all the things I told you. You have to come via this way only. Then only you'll become a good DevOps engineer. Okay. Uh, Basha R. Okay. Sir, I saw your message from referrer. I am not ready according to skills. Can I share resume now, or shall I learn for few months and then try applying? I have 3 years of experience in HPC cloud. Okay, that is what I told you guys. See, if you are not confident, so please make sure you should give your. See, I know we need shortcuts, correct? But shortcuts are always shortcuts. It's not backup, correct? So in Linux also, I say there is a soft link, there is a hard link, okay? So in the soft link, like if the main file will be deleted, you will lose your data, correct? Because ultimately the shortcut is from, shortcut file is basically is just a shortcut from there, but it's a backup file. Hard link is nothing but it's a copy of both the file. And that is what I am telling you. Even if you delete the actual file, still you are with the backup, correct? So according to me, please spend some good amount of time, guys. I know all of us know that, okay, let's do it something. 1 month you are not going to achieve something. How can you say that? If a company who is investing millions of dollars, okay, for a project, to hiring a resource and all, okay, so they are just fool, they are just fool they are just hiring people simply? No, they have to test you in each and every aspect, guys, okay? Because if somebody is paying to you, you don't want to give 10 rupees to some beggar, right? Why? Because you simply don't want to give your 10 rupees to that person, will you? So that is what I am telling. If a client is there, if he is going to pay you 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs of package, they need return of that one also, right? Correct. It's not they are doing some kind of a game over here, right? Or organization. So they need a resource who can work efficiently, independently in any of the project. Okay. And if you want to work independently, if you want to work without any hesitation, you have to give your time. I know it's going to take once, but that once you have to make sure you should not talk to anyone. Your focus should not be deviated. Okay, you should be completely focused for next 6 months. Again, I'm telling you, if you are ready for this one, you are in the right boat. Okay, but again, I'm not forcing anyone. You are mature enough to decide your career, but I cannot lie. Somebody has asked me, I given straightforward answer. Okay, I can told him, no, you do DevOps. Okay, I'll teach you to earn some money. But why I did not told? Because I know you will struggle. I can challenge. Correct. So I cannot do those things. Okay, just for only for no. What I am doing now for a longer run. Okay, for you guys. Okay, so I have answered your question, Vasista Vasa sir. I have answered your question, Vasha. Okay, Basha. Viresh Patel means that what is the exact future demand of DevOps and all cloud technology? It will be there. It will be more and more. It will be there. The reason behind that one, Viresh, the reason behind this one. So more than 90% of the work is a migration project. Okay, migration project means what? That involves everything. Migration project not only involve the on-premises maintenance and management. It also involves when you migrate your entire project. Okay, basically a three-tier architecture or a monolithic architecture to the cloud. There also you have to manage and maintain entire infrastructure. Okay, the future is very, I'm telling you, with so much of demand will be there for cloud engineer. Whoever now I am seeing, you can see some of the interview, some of the people career counseling, they are coming to me. They are from development background, they are from us folks are coming to me and they are telling, Abhishek, uh, uh, just teach us this Linux shell scripting, because they doesn't know, they have been working as a developer, they don't know about the infrastructure. Without infrastructure, even you cannot run a single AI tool as well. Where you are going to run those AI tools? On top of your infrastructure, right? Without cloud, how you can expect? Without operating system, how can you expect? Without automation, how can you expect? Without database, how can you expect? So the future is very good. Whoever is telling you AI, even AI tools, you are going to install on top of this infrastructure only, right? All DevOps tools you are going to install on top of this infrastructure only. So please understand, again I'm telling you, the future is excellent. Only thing is you have to understand, guys. Fine. So I have answered you. There is a good amount of opportunities in future for DevOps and all cloud. Okay. So private, मैं beginner हूँ. I wanna know. I am doing the RHCSA exam soon. So anything more that I need for the job? As of now, you are doing very good, Mr. Private. Your name is coming very good. RHCSA is the only exam, guys, where you have to give the exam practically. It's not like any other exam where you have to configure each and every step in system. Believe me, that is the only exam people are fear of. Why? Because they have to configure IP, they have to configure LDAP, they have to create users, they have to do the LVM activity, everything, right? So once you are able to clear your RHCSA exam, you are good to go private. Your name, please mention your name. Good, you are doing this one. So guys, yeah, so I have okay. I'll take the questions quickly, guys. Okay. Vasishta sir, I worked with AWS in scripting as well. Great. Okay, private. I love being a Linux admin and I am in final year. Great. Raghav, Kurana, Abhishek, could you please confirm if the batch is already started or yet to? It is yet to started, Raghav. Again, I am going to paste the link. Please go ahead and register yourself. Read each and everything carefully, and then you can do it. Okay. And Jay, hi sir, you are doing a great job with your Linux tutorial on YouTube. I was able to into the depth of Linux and I'm able to crack three companies now. See, thank you, Jay. Thank you. Many more congratulations. May this year will bring more and more happiness. Please, guys, try to understand. I am a very simple person. Okay, I don't make things complicated. Okay, so I'll tell you the exact path, the way you have to go. Okay, this is the only path. Shortcuts are always shortcuts. Okay, so rest is your choice. Okay, very good, Jay. Very more many more congratulations to you. I can see now only two people's already has already told me that they are able to crack. Okay, at the same time, request Jay and the other Manoj also, please go ahead and comment somewhere, guys, that your friend is selected, whoever, guys. This is also one small request, and also share my channel to more and more people so that they'll come to know about me, right? What sort of mindset I am having, what I am teaching, right? Basically, what is my intention? It's very clear, right? So I request Jay also, please comment that you got selected somewhere. Okay, these things and all, right? Correct. So this is something, guys. Okay, I request all of you, whoever is selected, at least they can mention, right? I'm not telling that, right, you should and even I'm not forcing go, but it's your wish. Okay, as a gratitude, if you want to show that, please go ahead and mention, so other will be get inspired from you, right? That this is what my content is, what I am teaching, or how people are getting benefit from my content, right? So you can mention those things, right? Fine. Madhu, yes, sir, I understand your concern. However, I may have the wrong question. I am learn Linux, but I am not interested in DevOps engineer. Are any other domain employment accessible for the? Yes, there are so many. So okay, okay, guys. I think I have taken most of the questions, and rest of the questions I request all of you that please send, if you have any questions, you can ask me in this one, abhishek88 roshan at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, so you can post, I'll answer your question as soon as possible. And at the same time, I need your support. Please support my channel, share with everyone, guys. Let's make this 2025 year successful year, not only for you, for me as well. Okay, so that I can continue my support, which definitely I'll continue, and like this only, right? And may this year will bring more and happiness for you and your family, right? That is what my wish to all of you, to my YouTube family. And thank you once again, those whoever is part of this family, my YouTube family, right? Already continuing with me, right? So again, thank you everyone, right? And just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind, guys.